We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest rave review online. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. So if you want to work with somebody who will focus on you and listen to your needs, let our first-rate, top-notch service do the job right for you. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking with you.